Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing one pad and testing a single note on your intended surface. This confirms adhesion and removes guesswork. Once done, pick a short label style, 1 to 3 words, that you will repeat. Write quickly and legibly, using the lower half of the note to avoid curling, and peel from the corner so the adhesive stays flat. Make sure to press the center first, then the edges. This ensures it sticks evenly and lasts longer. Now you move into organizing. Assign each color a clear role, priority, project, or idea so you avoid confusion. Once assigned, lay notes in logical groups. Columns for status, rows for timeline, clusters for related tasks, keeping about 1/2 inch between notes so you can read everything at a glance. Use arrows or simple digits to indicate order, and reposition notes as priorities shift. By updating them in real time, you keep the system accurate and momentum moving forward. Finish by reviewing your board daily. Move completed notes to an archive stack or take a photo for records, because once done you can clear visual clutter without losing history. Make sure to transfer anything persistent to a digital list or planner weekly so the system stays actionable. If a note curls or falls, don't blame the method. Replace it and press firmly. For flaky surfaces, use a tiny bit of double-sided tape. That single troubleshooting fix keeps the workflow reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.